Look at this guy. Well, this is gonna be kind of a spontaneous video. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but this guy, my firstborn, says he wants to mow the lawn. So it is time for his rite of passage. Are you excited?
Yeah.
He's so excited. He's pumped. And we're gonna start him off right. We're gonna put him right on the Time Master. Been waiting a long time for this day and excited to see how it turns out. Here we go. Okay, first things first. The handle here is a little bit too high, don't you think? We need to lower it. Now the nice thing about the Time Master is the adjustable handle. You can use this notch here to put it straight vertical. And there's another notch right here where we can lower it. So we'll just drop this out here and then push them up a little bit. Right, there it is. Now look at him. He's ready to go. As you can see, that is a lot better. That's actually made for you. That's like the Alan Haynes setting. It's perfect for you. All right, so I've briefed him on the basics of how to use the lawnmower. We've got the spectators here, and we are about ready to go. So I'm going to start it up for him. I've already done a couple of passes around the yard to give him some room to turn and put him right on his next line. And we'll start it up and let him have at it.
It is time.
Not too shabby. Better than I expected anyways. And you know what? I'm not even gonna cut over it. I'm gonna wait until the next mow to take care of it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Okay. Hey, you did it! Nice job, you missed. There you go. He done did the whole thing pretty much. He couldn't be stopped. How do you feel?
Awesome.
Awesome. So, tell me all your thoughts and feelings.
It hurt my left hand.
It hurt your left hand.
Right here.
Okay. But how do you feel you did? Did you do a good job?
Yeah.
I think you did a great job. I'm not even gonna cut it. You did it. All you, man. You're wearing that hat proud. Proud daddy right here. I'm proud of you. Good job. You gonna do it again sometime?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that is gonna go ahead and do it. First mow in the books. How old are you? Tell them how old you are.
6.5.
6.5, because the half matters. So, until next time, thanks for watching. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Well, we've stopped for a water break, huh? How's it going?
Good.
You enjoying it? Are you cherishing it? He knows. Cherish the moment, right? Yeah. He's heard that before. Done? Huh?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, get back to work. He's next. Right there. He's next. Maybe in a couple years.